Start.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. So today's topic is present indefinite, and we will teach you the shortcuts how we can answer the long, you can say long question in the shortcuts. So Asibia and me will describe, you can say, perform an activity in which we ask some question, and Bhaiya will reply how you can see that. So do you play?
Yes, I do play.
Speaker and
You can simply yes, say I do.
yes, this is the way how we can use. So now I will, you can say that take the example of signal. So does she go to park?
In yeah. Positive, you can simply say yes, she does. Yes, she does. And in negative, how would you say? In negative, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
So these are the two ways how we can say. So first, which Asibia told, you can say first is she does. So this is for the singular, and second is she doesn't. That means it's come in the negative, right? So now we are getting the negative of plural. So do I play?
Yes, I do play. Basically, he's talking about himself, not you. उनके बारे में पूछ रहे
Here is you can correct that. I ask about myself, so you will say you, because I am not for you. I am a second person, right? So do I play?
Yes, I do play. He is talking about himself. वो खुद के बारे में बात करे तो आपको बोलना है yes you do. Yes you do. नहीं वो अपने बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. सर वीडियो रोको पहले जाके.
Do I go to park to, you can say, exercise?
Yes, you do. What are you doing?
Yes. So Bhaiya tell about the positive. So now the Bhaiya will tell about the negative. So you can say Bhaiya said that you do. So Bhaiya will say you don't. So I'm asking one more, that's which you will give in you can say negative. Take it. Wait a while. Do you study at home?
Yes, I study.
But I want to, but I want to, in negative you can say negative sense. So how I will say?
How would you answer in negative? If he asks you, do you study?
I don't.
I don't. I don't. Fine.
That's great. So thank you for the connecting with me.
Also, you can ask some of the questions to these students.
So now I'm not ending the session. So we will ask to some students. They will answer, and we will experience, you can say, or check them how they learn.
You are going to ask at least one or two questions to all the students right now. Okay.
So Arpita, the first question is for you. That uh, do you eat food?
Yes, I do.
I want to the full answer. You can say. So what will you say?
Can you repeat your question?
Uh, do you eat food?
Yes. Yes, I eat food.
That's nice. The now the you can say negative turn. So make it. Do you eat food? Convert into the negative.
No, I don't eat. I don't.
Oh, that's nice. So now it's your turn. So are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
So, do you love India?
Yes, I love India.
And in the shortcut?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Right. So now the turn of Jackson. So how are you, Jackson? I'm asking to you.
Jackson, how are you?
So Jackson is thinking something now. How are you?
Yes.
How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
That's good. So now the first question is for you.
Yeah.
Does Pranjal, you can say, does Pranjal play?
Yes.
Pranjal?
Pranjal play.
Pranjal does. So here is a minor mistake. You can learn, but he is in the progressive, so you don't mind it. So now the turn is of Ram. So please come, Ram. Please come. Uh, so in your life, everything is great.
Yes, in my life, everything is great.
Do you like to, you can say, analyze or write the poems?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, that's nice. So now, give the answer in the negative.
No, I don't.
Okay, that's great. So please clap for the Ram. Now it's turn of your Arpit. Arpit. You can say Arpit ka.
Okay, now you can take a seat. Thank you.
How have you been?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So here is a very simple question that does she go to park? You have to answer in the positive sense.
Yes, I do.
No. I asked about she, that third person. So how will you say in, how are you converting in first person, right? What will the answer?
Third person.
Oh, you don't do right. So you can say it. I will. Satyam will come and Satyam, please come. I want to ask one more question. Then I will. Does she go to park?
Yes, she does.
Oh, that's nice. This is the way how to answer this. How to use this short trance. So now the Alok Bhaiya will come. Please come. So I want to tell. I want to talk about your. No, how are you first?
I am fine.
That's great. So now the question is that does your father scold you?
He,
Yes, he does.
yes, he does.
Oh, that's nice. So I want to take it in the negative. So how will you answer? He doesn't.
He doesn't.
That's great. So you can say it, and next can become. Can come. Yes, you can come. So for you, do they take a bath?
Yes, I do.
No, I'm not about. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about they. So how will you answer? They do. Yes, they do. Right? Clear? Oh.
Ask again.
So now, second one is that do you play?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. And if I want to say in negative, how will you say?
No, I don't.
Oh, that's nice. Please clap for her. Now Pranjal will come and I will ask him a difficult question. Let's see how the Pranjal will answer.
Ask a basic question.
Oh, I will ask a basic question, right?
And one more student is left. Alisa.
Alicia. So, tell me your name.
My name is Pranjal.
Okay, that's good. So, uh, I want to say that.
What do you do?
What did you do?
I study.
You study. Now I'm taking in the other way. Does your father really beats you?
No, my fathers don't beat me.
Does it mean?
Doesn't beat me.
That's nice. You answered in the negative. That's great. So you can say. But yeah, you can ask me some questions to take it. You can. Now, give me that. Who is left?
Alisa, last student.
Please come.
आसान आसान पूछना, 3-4 सवाल।
3-4.
हाँ, आसान आसान।
Does your brother scold you?
Yes, I brother scold.
Brother scolds you.
Yes, my brother scolds.
Oh, that's nice. So you want to say something to Alisa?
Why do you scold your sister?
Why?
Why do you scold your sister?
Why scolding? Yes, I scold you, sister.
But why you?
Because he does not study.
Because she doesn't study.
Because she doesn't study.
Oh, this is your fault to be careful. You can say be attentive to your studies. You can say it. Now the turn is
Everybody's done.
everybody is done. So I'm. You can say
I'm winding up the video, guys.
I'm the binding of the videos. So tada, bye bye. See you. Take care and like, subscribe, and any more. What do you want to say? So learn, learn, learn. Bye.
Thank you so much.